all the government institutions of Bangladesh are free from any type of corruption. So it is high time to ensure our services from the government institutions of Bangladesh. Now I stay in front of the উপজেলা প্রাণী সম্পদ দপ্তর and veterinary hospital ফুলছড়ি গাইবান্ধা. So I am going to give you a special presentation on the services of the hospital. So if you have any animal which is not safe or uncured, আপনার আটকা, সো আপনাদের যদি কোনো রকম অসুস্থ প্রাণী থেকে থাকে, so you should not daily to bring your animals to this hospital. So after second time independence of Bangladesh, we are getting all kinds of services from the government hospitals, institutions of Bangladesh. So don't daily to ensure your rights from the hospitals, from the institutions.